etc are there. Next concept is concept of emotions. Emotions are in the player are very matter life in their life. Emotions are performing the psychology of the person. There are three types of emotions are the subjective experience should be there of that psychological behavior. Next is psychological response of that person behavior, or expressive person is there. These kind things are coming to the emotion things, in emotions. These response may be verbal, psychological, behavior, or natural mechanism. Emotion may be positive or negative. Should or there positive means that if a person's are thinking that thing onto front of showing that they will taking the positive things. If they are negative, like they showing the negative wave and arguing some kind of things are there. If a positive, they will be very good. If a negative, they will be sad or something anger will be there on that. These coming on the concept of emotions. How to control the emotions. First of there is that control your breathings when you have anger or something expressing something on there. Keep your head up always. To that key confidence should be on your head. Physical activity should be there. If you are have angry and something kind of, there should be do the physical activity that increasing to giving the confidence to that. Meditate yourself, detect yourself from this situation means that go away from that situation because of you. If they are affecting to you, decide your response, develop your patience, talk to yourself, think about other possibilities, change the your thoughts, take a break, enjoy nature, and avoid health hazards. Means that ki something alcohol or tobacco, these kind of should be you have to avoid. Because of that, these things you will destroy your personality or you destroy your fitness. Then next is the fifth, motivation and its types. Motivations is a like a to the person internal factor to the giving that he will do the these kind of thing. If we are something motivation to the person, inspire that person, he will guide properly that person, he will do the properly toward the high achievement will received. Motivation is directly related with the better performance. Though who have a moral down, who have a, that he can't more properly, they people have needed the motivations. There are two types of motivation. First, internally motivation. Internal motivation means some people are like something kind of family friends, and they needed that food, social needs, psychological needs, personal needs, safety, personality, economical. These kind of things are the motivation of the person. Like some persons are needed medals, and some people are needed money. These things are the motivation of the person to do the work properly and behaving they perform their performance. And next second is the external motivation. External means that people have to want some rewards, giving the punishment that he kind he there are many types of like punishment. They can do that active participation, audio visual aids, test evaluation competition, teaching method should be there, teacher relations, relationships, uh, teachers and people relationship equal there, healthy relationships are should be there, equipment and surrounding properly. That these kind of coming on the motivations. Next, motivations technical in the sports. How to motivation technique, giving the motivation technique, the good health of athletes, if giving their healthy environment, good apparatus and good play field will be there, sufficient practice, reward and punishment, coaching and guidance, crowd feedbacks, interaction between own teammates, organization officiates, and safety and means and competitions, teamwork, leadership through the physical activity. Leadership is a social quality which found among the people various ages, in males and females, like different races, various culture, economic background. Dictionary and word of leader is a direct to other, means giving the command to other. These that is that person called as a leader. and there are many types of means two types of leaders are there, professionally or democratic. First, talking about the professionally, it's two type of there, mature leader or immature leader. Next is the sixth qualities of leader of our captain. He will be good personality, academically sound, means well qualified person, good commanded person, means that these kind of academically sound coming in there. Good moral character should be there, that person. Intelligent, he will be there. Self discipline, he have. Determination, they will have, including friendship. Master of physical skills, he have. Expressing the and optimistic, he should have. Express means idea they easily to the persons that showing the these things that expressive, we should say. Loyal, he will. Example of others. Impartial leader should have the impartial, means that he or she justified the group properly and supports every person in the group. That mean we be coming to the leader. Role of leader and captain, group representation, he will do. Opportunity to direct, reduce stress, better discipline in the group, develop socialization, inspire other, close relationships, better organization. Good medium to convey, means how to tell everyone and convince that things you can do, that these kind of role should be in leader have. Improve abilities, provide recognition, improve coordination, these kind of things coming in the good leadership in there.